Hello everyone, these are some important topics related to class 10 chapter current electricity, and also it is a good time for all the students of 11th and 12th to make their concepts more clear. With this we are going to study the first basic topic related to the class 10th physics, which is what is electric current. Electric current क्या है? What is electric current? Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charges, that at which rate the electric charges are flowing through the material, through the conductor, and it is defined as I is equal to Q by T. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. The most smaller units of current are the milliampere and the microampere respectively. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere, and 1 microampere is 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Now, I is equal to Q by T. Now we are going to look at the units of these physical quantities. एक बार इनके units की तरफ थोड़ा हम लोग ध्यान देते हैं. The unit of current is, as you all know, is ampere. It is coulomb, and the unit of time is second. Now in last in the exam, sometimes it is asked that what is 1 ampere, or how will you define 1 ampere. So 1 ampere is the amount of electric current flowing through a conductor if 1 coulomb charge flows through it in 1 second. 1 ampere क्या है? It is that amount of current which is flowing through a conductor if 1 coulomb charge flows through it in 1 second. अगर 1 coulomb charge उसमें से 1 सेकंड तक फ्लो करता है किसी कंडक्टर में से, तो आप कह सकते हो कि उसके अंदर कितना करंट है, कितना करंट वो कैरी करता है, उसकी वैल्यू 1 एम्पियर है. सो आई होप दिस सिंपल टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, विच इज the next topic is what is electric potential. Again, what is electric potential? It is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. किसी चार्ज को आप इन्फिनाइट डिस्टेंस से एक पॉइंट पर, सपोज ए पर आप ला रहे हैं इन्फिनिटी से, तो कुछ वर्क आपको करना पड़ेगा. सम वर्क हैज टू बी डन इन ब्रिंगिंग अ चार्ज or a positive charge from infinity to that particular point, and that work done is defined as the electric potential. Now as we all know, work done is represented by W, the charge is represented by Q, so the potential, the electric potential is represented or denoted by V. Again, what is electric potential? It is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Or V, mathematically V is given by equal to W by Q. This is a charge and this is the amount of work done which we are considering in this particular case. Now, what is the SI unit of this electric potential? इस electric potential की SI unit क्या है? The SI unit of the electric potential is volt. The SI unit of electric potential is volt. Now, how will you define 1 volt? Again, in class examination or in the vivas related to 11th or 12th, it is frequently asked that what is 1 volt or what is 1 joule. So, 1 volt is nothing but equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb, or you can define 1 joule as 1 joule is the work done in bringing the 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point. 1 joule is the work done in bringing the 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point. So I hope this simple topic is clear to all of you. With this, we have already discussed these two important topics, the electric current and the electric potential. So again, what is electric potential? It is the work done in bringing the positive charge from infinity to that point. Moving to the third topic, the electric potential difference. Hello everyone. The third topic is the electric potential difference. What is electric potential difference? The amount of work done in bringing a positive charge from point A to point B is the electric potential difference. Now, let us consider कि आपका चार्ज पॉइंट ए पर है और आप उसे पॉइंट बी पर लेकर के आना चाहते हो। आपके पास कोई चार्ज है क्यों, और वो पॉइंट ए पर प्रेजेंट है और आप उसे पॉइंट बी पर लाना चाहते हो, तो कुछ वर्क उस प्रोसेस के लिए आपको करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क और दैट अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इज डिफाइंड एज द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल difference. That amount of work done is defined as the electric potential difference, and it is given by VB minus VA is equal to WAB by Q. It is given by VB minus VA is equal to WAB by Q. Now, this is one of the numerical related to this particular topic, and the numerical is how much work is done in moving a charge of 5 coulomb from the point at 12 volt to a point at 16 volt. कितना वर्क आपको करना पड़ेगा, एक चार्ज है 5 कूलम का और आप उसे लेकर के आना चाहते हो एक ऐसे पॉइंट से जहाँ पर 12 वोल्ट वोल्टेज है, एक ऐसे पॉइंट पर जहाँ पर जो वोल्टेज है वो 16 वोल्ट की है। कितना वर्क, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू कंसीडर दिस स्टेटमेंट द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, हाउ मच वर्क इज डन इन मूविंग अ चार्ज ऑफ 5 कूलम फ्रॉम द पॉइंट एट 12 वोल्ट टू अ पॉइंट एट 16 वोल्ट्स। वर्क डन निकालना है भाई, बहुत सिंपल है। वर्क डन क्या है भाई, VB माइनस VA इंटू क्यू। अच्छे से पढ़ो भाई, नंबर्स ले लेके अपना बी हैप्पी। WAB और सिंपली वर्क डन इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड चार्ज। सो इन दिस केस व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, क्या वैल्यू है अभी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की? द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज 16 माइनस 12 और 4 वोल्ट्स। द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज 16 माइनस 12 or 4 volts. So as V is equal to W by Q, W is equal to VQ, and hence the work done becomes equal to 20 joule. The work done becomes equal to 20 joule. So with this, according to me, that this topic is clear to all of you. Now we are going to consider the fourth important topic related to the unit current electricity, and that is Ohm's law. The next topic is the Ohm's law. Now what is Ohm's law? This law states that the strength of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. आपके पास कोई कंडक्टर है, सपोज आपके पास कोई वायर है, you have a wire with you, तो उसमें से कुछ करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, तो जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगी अक्रॉस द एंड्स, the potential difference across the ends, that potential difference is directly proportional to the current. So this is Ohm's law. Again I am going to explain this for you, that what is Ohm's law? The strength of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference, or V is directly proportional to R. Now as you all know, when this proportionality sign will replace from this side, an equal sign will be imposed along with the constant. आप सब जानते हैं कि जब यहाँ से प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी का साइन हटेगा और इक्वल का साइन आएगा तो कुछ कांस्टेंट यहाँ पर इस सिचुएशन में इम्पोज होगा। सम कांस्टेंट इज गोइंग टू बी इम्पोज इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन, एंड दैट कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी इज आर और द रेजिस्टेंस। नाउ आई होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी सिमिलर, आर वेरी familiar with this topic, what is resistance. So what is resistance? It is the opposition or the hindrance to the flow of current. It is a term which opposes the flow of charge carriers, which opposes the flow of current. So what is Ohm's law? On the basic line, Ohm's law is nothing but it states that the strength of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference, or V is equal to Ri. Here R is nothing but the resistance. And with this we are going to consider the last important topic of this unit, which is what is resistance. What is resistance? Resistance is that term, it is that phenomena which opposes the flow of current or the flow of charge carriers. The resistance is denoted by R, and its unit is, its SI unit is ohm, and it is denoted by this symbol. Now R is equal to V by I. How? I have told you later in this particular video only that V is equal to IR. So R is equal to V by I. Or 1 ohm is equal to 1 V or 1 volt by 1 ampere. It is sometime in a class 10th exam it is asked that define 1 ohm. What is 1 ohm? So the resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm when 1 ampere of current flows through the conductor, when 1 volt of potential difference is applied across the ends of conductor. रेजिस्टेंस किसी भी कंडक्टर का 1 ओम होता है जब 1 एम्पियर करंट उस कंडक्टर में से फ्लो करता है, 1 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो करता है जब 1 वोल्ट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस उस कंडक्टर पर के एंड्स पर अप्लाई किया जाता है। आपने किसी कंडक्टर को, टू बी मोर डिटेल्ड विद दिस टॉपिक, आपने किसी कंडक्टर को वोल्टेज दी, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दिया तो उसमें करंट फ्लो होगा। तो वो कहता है कि 1 ओम रेजिस्टेंस क्या है कि 1 एम्पियर करंट का फ्लो होना जब 1 वोल्ट का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दिया गया तो उस सिचुएशन में जो रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू होगी वो 1 ओम होगी। So what is 1 ohm? The resistance of conductor is said to be 1 ohm when 1 ampere of current flows through the conductor, when 1 volt of potential difference is applied across the end of the conductor. With this, we have considered some basic and important topics related to the unit current electricity of class 10th, and again it is very important for the class 11th and 12th in order to make their topics, in order to make their information more clear, and we are going to continue with the more videos regarding this topic. Be regular with the videos. Thank you.